Here we have a Smith Corona Deville Deluxe manual typewriter. It has some, the basic features of light, medium, and heavy as far as how hard you have to hit the keys. Tab bar, tab set, and tab clear. This is probably made in the early 70s. Has a power space button, a nice bell, paper support here. These are your tab settings. This is over here you have a carriage release. Carriage release over here. It has a you use black stencil or red ink. In case the keys jam, there's a jam key, unjam key here. Margin release, a number 1, and exclamation point. So here we go. Nice new ribbon installed on the typewriter, and you set it for heavy here. It takes a little more a little more there, and I think that's pretty much it. It's a nice clean machine. It's a tan color. Inside looks nice and clean. I blew it all out, put a little oil on it, checked it out to be sure it was all in working condition. Thank you for watching this video.